Hi beautiful family, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. On today's video, I will show you 4 powerful homemade ingredients that you need to start incorporating on your shampoo that will help to stop your hair fall, hair shedding, hair breakage, treat your dandruff, itching scalp, promote faster hair growth. With these 4 ingredients in your shampoo, welcome healthy hair growth. This will help to promote healthy hair growth and also thicken up your hair. So please grab your seat and let's go and prepare this powerful homemade shampoo. The first ingredient on my list is lavender pulse. Lavender pulse stimulates hair growth, contain compound that improve blood circulation to the scalp, encourage faster hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage and hair loss. Lavender has antimicrobial and antifungal properties that help combat dandruff, dry scalp, and itchiness. Its smoothness in fact help lower stress, and which is major cause of hair shedding and thinning hair. So I make use of 2 tablespoons of my lavender pulse. My next ingredient on my list is amla powder. Regular use of amla powder can improve the overall texture of your hair, make it smoother, softer, and more manageable. It helps reduce frizz and add voluminous to fine lift hair, give you fuller, darker hair and more voluminous hair. So also I make use of 2 tablespoons of my amla powder. The third ingredient on my list is gloves. Gloves enhance blood circulation. Gloves has properties that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles activate, encourage hair growth. Gloves contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall hair healthy. I also make use of 2 tablespoons of my gloves. My last ingredient, but not the least, is green tea. Green tea help treat and tackle dandruff and frizziness. It moisturizes the scalp and prevents dryness and hair fall. I will also be making use of my 2 bags of my green tea. So I'll open the bag and put it inside. Guys, these ingredients for this shampoo, they are the best ingredients you need to start incorporating. With the using of this ingredient on your shampoo, you will never ever regret it. So I have more bonus ingredients I want to add on this, but this is optional. Like as I said, it's 4 ingredients, but this last ingredient is optional. You can choose to add it, you can choose to leave it. And that last ingredient is hibiscus. Guys, I will encourage you to add this hibiscus on this your shampoo. You will get best results in adding hibiscus, because hibiscus stimulate hair growth, prevent premature growing, condition hair, prevent dandruff and smooth hair, and darken your hair in no time. Guys, you can choose to leave the hibiscus, but I will tell you to add it, okay? You will get a lot of benefit on it. So what I did now, I pour in hot water into my dry ingredients. I will use my spoon to turn it around a little bit, and I'm going to cover this and keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours. But I finally leave this to infuse more than 12 hours. Yes. Next step is to bring my soap, and I'm using black soap. So if you have Dudu Oshu black soap, you can also make use of it, but this type of black soap I'll be making use of, okay? So I just use my knife to cut this little batch of it. I'm not really making large batch of the shampoo, okay? So if you want to make very large batch, you can increase your cotton of shampoo, it can increase the soap. Okay, so I keep it aside and use my knife to dash this black soap into a very tiny sizable as possible I can, so that it can dissolve quickly into the water. After dicing it, I will move on to the next step. Next step is to pour in hot water on it. As you can see, I'm not pouring that much hot water on it. I'm just pouring hot water that can cover up the soap a little bit. So I'm not pouring large. I'm not pouring too much water, okay? Too much hot water on it. So I'll just cover this soap also and keep it together with the tea infusion method. Okay, so this will infuse, like as I said, I finally infuse it more than 12 hours. I just keep it aside in a cool dark place so that they can properly infuse and do their thing. Guys, after the 12 hours or more than 12 hours, I lost counting. Okay, so this dry ingredient is ready to be use. It can also, at this moment, I was tempted to use this as a tea spray, but I know I'm going for shampoo. So at this moment, it can also just leave, it can also remove little batch of the tea. Okay, apply it on your hair. Okay, so you have the good benefit of it, but I do not do that because I'm going for the shampoo. I'm just saying for the case of in case if you don't have tea spray around you that moment, you can just use this. Okay, so after trying it, this is how the tea spray is. This is how the ingredient mixture or tea spray, I don't know what to call it, but I hope you're understanding me. So next thing, I bring the soap have dissolved very well. It have dissolved very well. So also I will bring my shifter, okay, so that I can shifter this soap, because this soap, you will see some little sound on it. I don't know where the sound come from, so that you will see some little sound on it. So this soap contains sound. If you do not do this part, you will having sound on the shampoo, and that sound will be entering into your hair, and is not a good idea. Just immediately I poured that soap into this my mixture of tea, everything changed. The water color changed immediately. This shampoo is very powerful. So next thing I do now, I add in my homemade oil. You can choose to add any of your homemade oil of your choice. You are good to go. Okay, after adding my homemade oil, I also add a little bit of my lavender essential oil, and also I will add my vitamin E oil also. So you can add preservative to preserve the shampoo to last more longer. Without preservative, it will not last that longer. Okay, that is supposed to last, but with preservative, it can last as long as 6 months without going bad. Okay, it depends on the power of the preservative you are using. Okay, but I don't have. Okay, so that's why I do not add any preservative on it. After then, I bring my shampoo container to transfer the shampoo into the shampoo container. Our magic powerful hair growth shampoo is ready. So next thing now, I will show you, I will demonstrate to you how to use this shampoo for best results. Okay, so first thing, I will straighten my hair first. Okay, I'm going to wet my hair with water because my hair is low porosity. It will take time before water can penetrate very well into our hair, into my hair strands. Okay, after allowing water to penetrate very well into my hair, next thing is to bring the shampoo. The work have started. Guy, this shampoo ladder a lot. This shampoo ladder a lot. This shampoo is all you need. With this shampoo, you will never buy store-bought shampoo anymore in the market. With this shampoo, welcome healthy hair growth. With this shampoo will promote faster hair growth, stop hair fall, hair breakage, and also treat your dry hair and your itching scalp. This shampoo will promote hair growth, guys. As you can see, the ingredients, they are very, very potent in promoting faster hair growth, stop hair fall and hair shedding. Because when your hair stop falling, when you stop losing a lot of hair, you will definitely retain more length. Your hair will definitely got more thicker. I hope you're understanding me. So try to use this shampoo and you will tell me thank you. This shampoo is a must try if you really want to grow healthy hair growth. If you really want to stop hair fall and hair shedding, try this shampoo. Do you see how super lather this shampoo lathers? A little goes a long way. A little of this shampoo goes a long way, guys. So I just rinse out the first water on my hair. Okay, after rinsing out that first one, see my hair at this moment, my hair is super clean. But you know me, if you're OG on the channel, you know that I like shampooing my hair twice. Okay, so I'll still go second round of shampooing my hair. Do you see how my hair feel, guys? My hair feels so amazing. So I'll still go second round of shampooing my hair. Let me give you one secret tip for you to get best result in this shampoo. If you are struggling for dry hair fall, okay, what you need to do is once you apply this shampoo on your hair, massage your scalp. Just allow this shampoo to sit on your hair like 2 minutes, 3 minutes to 5 minutes before you rinse it out. That way, consistent of using this shampoo that way, you will see the great result on your hair. It's not that if you rinse it out immediately to not work, but it still work. But to get the best work on it, allow the shampoo to sit a little bit on your hair before you rinse it out. I hope I'm making sense. So this is the second application. Do you see the super lather? This shampoo lather super well, and my hair is 100% clean. And this shampoo, the good part of this shampoo deep cleans your hair. This shampoo deep cleans my hair. You see how my hair is clean. This shampoo will not strip out your natural hair oil. Okay, use this shampoo and you come out tell me thank you. I'm super happy to share this recipe with you guys, and I hope you're also happy to come across this video. Let me know in comment section below. If you are watched up to this point, let me know in comment section below. And you are the really MVP. I love you guys so much. So after rinsing it, do you see how my hair look like? My hair feels so amazing. My hair feels so good, guys. This shampoo is all you need to grow that hair growth, to solve that hair problem, to thicken up your hair. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoy watching today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, just click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new. Please, if you have not liked up to this point, please help me to like this video. It really encouraged me to put more good content out there. This is the way you can support me, okay, by liking the video, because your like help the growth of the channel. Thank you so much. And lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they will stop wasting money to buy store bottle shampoo. Okay, so guys, I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God loves you more. See you guys on my next video. Be safe, idea. It's a baby girl Glory. Bye.